Good morning, and welcome to this news show about ethics and AI. As AI keeps getting better, people are getting more worried about how it will affect ethics. In this talk, we'll talk about some of the most important questions about AI ethics, such as whether AI should have legal rights, how we can make sure AI is used in a responsible way, and the risks of relying too much on AI to make decisions. When it comes to AI ethics, one of the biggest questions is whether or not machines should have legal rights. Some people say that as machines get smarter, they may reach a point where they can think for themselves and should be treated as legal people. Others say that this would be a bad example to set because it could lead to machines making decisions without human oversight. In this part, we will look at both sides of the issue. We'll look at some of the most important cases in which AI was given legal rights, like when Sophia, a humanoid robot, was given citizenship in Saudi Arabia. We'll also look at some of the worries about giving legal rights to machines, such as the possibility of abuse and the chance of losing control over how AI makes decisions. How to make sure that machines are built and used in a responsible way is another important part of AI ethics. AI has the potential to change many fields, from healthcare to finance, but it's important that we use this technology in a way that helps society as a whole. In this section, we'll look at some of the things that have been suggested to make sure that AI development is done in a responsible way. These include the creation of ethical guidelines for AI development, the use of human oversight in AI decision-making, and the creation of transparency tools that help users understand how AI systems make decisions. We'll also talk about some of the problems that developers and policymakers face when trying to make sure that AI is developed in a responsible way. These problems include how quickly technology changes and how hard it is to predict what the long-term effects of AI use will be. AI has the potential to change many parts of our lives, but there are also risks that come with relying too much on it. In this section, we'll talk about some of the biggest worries about relying too much on AI. These include the risk of algorithmic bias, the possibility that AI could replace human jobs, and the risk of losing control over making decisions. We'll look at some of the ideas that have been put forward to deal with these worries, such as the need for more human oversight in AI decision-making, the creation of training programs to make sure people are ready to work with AI, and the use of tools to find and fix algorithmic bias. In conclusion, the use of AI has a lot of complicated and far-reaching effects on ethics. Even though this technology could change many parts of our lives, it's important that we use it in a responsible and moral way.